Welcome back to the channel, Texas Rugged. We're back in action. As y'all can see on the thumbnail, we're back with a new OPT7 mod here, and we got OPT7 here on my shirt. As y'all can see, the truck got dirty. It got dirty, man. I'm on my way here. It started raining, but we're gonna get her cleaned up. We're gonna add the rock lights, Aura Quantum rock lights from OPT7. Let's go ahead and open this up. Nice boxing. Ooh, that's tight. Check it out. This thing it's all metal. It's nice quality too. So I like the way it's packaged. And then we have the wiring. Got the wiring kit back there. We got the controls on this too. We got the remote controls. This is for the Bluetooth. So if you want, I have the option to go in with the Bluetooth or the remote. Let me show y'all what it looks like in there. So this is you got your own key fob right there for the lights. And then you got the remote options, and the wiring kit. Everything is in here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, man. What you think about the quality, bro?
Man, the things are pretty stout. I like how they got the angles where they're facing out, so it's full coverage. When you go on top of the wheel, this light's gonna disperse this way. This light disperses this way.
So you put it in the middle.
Yeah, it goes up just like that. And then of course extensions, and they give you extras just in case it doesn't reach. Obviously, they got different ways of installing it. So the way it's installed in a car, your controller has to go on the driver's side. You might put an extension going for the back passenger,
right?
Or if it's just in the passenger side, you know, extend it to the back driver. That would reach. So you got the little Bluetooth module here. This one.
Yeah, that's gonna be for the remote.
That's why. So you put these splitters to control the 4 lights. That's why. Yeah. So you use this controller instead.
Right.
It is the Bluetooth versus the remote control one. That's how that works.
There you go.
And then we'll put the wire through there. That way we don't have the wire hanging down.
Here we use the screws to mount the rock lights. You can also use the adhesive tape that comes with the package, or you can use both.
I like the way this looks. I honestly do. I like the way that it's all metal. It's all metal. It looks sturdy, slick design. All right, we're doing a quick test right here before we start installing them under the wheel well, and they're working pretty good. You can see it. And this is the one under the wheel well. All right, so we got the extension right here, and it's gonna go up there, running all the way there underneath the truck, and then he ran it there. So we got it wired up. There's the battery. He's gonna connect it.
I'm just tying in the power and the ground. The black with the white stripe is the positive. The solid black is the ground. So this is the Ram TRX. The Ram TRX already comes pre-wired with the auxiliary switches up on the overhead console. So the pre-wiring for the switches is located right here by the battery. They're not labeled, but you can always Google them to see what they do. You've got a couple that are high output, high amperage output. Obviously those are going to be the thicker gauges. And then you got some that are low amperage, which are the thinner ones. We're already using one of them for the output on the Ram, on that light bar on top of the Ram bar. So we're going to go ahead and use this one for the rock lights. It's also low amperage. Factory wirings, 18 gauge. It'll be just fine. We've got a factory grounding spot. We'll just ground that to here. Keep all our wiring nice and neat. All these outputs are already fused from the factory. We just added a ground going to the rock lights. Here's the power for it. It goes right through the firewall we had already previously tapped into for the Ram light bar.
We got the wires running, so we got the extensions. Y'all can see it look like a mess right now. He's working on getting everything looking like back to stock. Y'all can see we got the wires here. It's running through here, coming around. So we're gonna get everything situated here. We're gonna let him work his magic. As y'all can see now, there's no more wires running. You still gotta hide these wires. Boom, we got the light right there.
You had the power wire that was already coming in on top. The power side, I just tapped that black wire from that module into the same power side because you flip the switch and it powers that wire. So
okay, so you just cut that and just hardwired it.
Hardwired it with
all the way.
plug. Yeah. So both of the powers are together, the accessory and the power.
Gotcha.
You flip that switch, boom, it cuts on the module.
We didn't need that connected to a fuse box.
In this case, no, because we use the upfitter switches.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. If you wanted to, yeah, you can, but we're controlling it all through the upfitters.
This one right here is going to be the Rock Lights remote module, and this is going to be the Bluetooth module. I have both of them on here. I can always switch it out every now and then. If I want to use the Bluetooth, I just have to plug this in. If I want to use the remote, I can plug this in. It's very easy to plug in and out. So this Bluetooth module, and then we'll just connect this right here real quick. Now we got the Bluetooth module, and then we got the power. The power is going to be this one. I don't know if you can see it right here. See the power? That's the power for the Bluetooth. This one right here. And what we're going to do is plug this out because this is for the remote. Currently we're using the remote, but we're going to transition to the Bluetooth. We're going to test out the Bluetooth first. Bluetooth, you can see, is off right now. I'm going to turn it on. It's going to be on aux 6. Once you turn it on, there goes the Bluetooth. All right, we got the OPT7 Bluetooth Connect. That's the app. So you connect it. Very easy. It's going to show up already there. It automatically goes on there. Sometimes my phone, because I got a cracked screen. Don't worry, it's the protector, it's not the phone. All right, so now we got the controls, right? Now we're gonna turn it on. We got it on already, but we're gonna turn it off. See how it turns off. So you can see it changes the signal right away when you press on and off instantly. That's pretty cool for the app. You can see right there. All right, so let's try a different color, right? There it goes. Now you got the colors, right? Now this one you can kind of see how it's changing. Now it's changing the color. You got the purple. You can go to the blue. And then right here, you got the solid. You got the cycle if you want to cycle it. You have the option of the brightness if you want to dim. You can dim it out. And you have the speed. You can slowly. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can slow it down. You can increase the speed. It moves fast. Slow it down. It changes instantly, as you can see, whenever you change it on the app. So I think it's pretty cool. And then you can lower down the brightness. You see how I lower down the brightness? You can barely see it now. Put it right in the middle. And then you put it up, pretty bright. Right here, that's the power. That's the power source. We're gonna unplug it. Keep this right here. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna plug it into the remote module. And now we can use the remote. Gonna plug this in, boom. And then remember we got these two right here. We're gonna unplug this one, boom, boom, easy. Now we're gonna plug this in here. This one goes here. And this one comes with 4 plugs, but you can use either one. You can use either, you can pick 2. I have the option to boom with the Bluetooth and with the remote. Shout out to OPT7 for letting us test out both so y'all can see. Let me know what y'all think. Y'all get in the comment section which one y'all like the most. We're gonna see it's already on. Now you can kind of play with it. You got the red. You gotta be closer. That's the only thing with this one here. You gotta be closer to the module. You got the red, you got the green, you got the blue. Different options right here. You got the beat, you got the fade. Let's first try the color cycle. Check out the color cycle. This one says fade. Let's try that one. Okay, that one is subtle right there. That's nice. Like you can cruise quick. Now when you go to party right there, can you see it? It's like you go to a party. And then you got the slow one if you want something slow. I think they're pretty cool. It's still very bright too. They got the beat. The beat is a little bit different. Look,
So when you have a bass, you can hear the bass, then the lights come out. Yeah, YouTube, you can't copyright me on this one. YouTube, you can't copyright. You see it blinks instantly when there's a bass when it touches the truck.
I almost forgot, we have a remote that comes with this here where you can add this on your keychain. It does have a option for A, B, C, and D. So A, B allows you to change colors. That's B. If you set it on red and you go back to A, you can do white and it goes back to red, white, light red. Let's go ahead and test out C. So you have the bright white and the dim white for letter C. D is just one press, one color. One press gives you one color.
If y'all like the video, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what's the next light we should add on the truck. I'm thinking something like something on the engine bay. Let me know, man. Y'all get in the comment section, maybe inside the truck. Give me some ideas. All right, that's it for now, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all stay safe, stay cool, take care of your fam, stay healthy, and Texas Rugged, man. I'm out.